With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked that which of the following is not a hereditary disease. So hereditary disease means those diseases which passes on from the parents to the progeny. So in the option 1, we are given cystic fibrosis. So cystic fibrosis is an autosomal, right? It's an autosomal recessive hereditary disorder or the disease, right? So it means that it is not inherited solely from the mother or the father as in sex-linked disorders. Rather, cystic fibrosis is inherited when an individual receives a mutated copy of the gene associated with cystic fibrosis from both the parents, right? So basically it's an inherited life-threatening disorder that damages the lung and the digestive system. So we can say that this cannot be a correct answer. Next we have is the thalassemia, right? So thalassemia is basically a blood disorder that involves the lower than normal amount of oxygen carrying protein. So the individuals who are thalassemic, right, they have this blood disorder which is basically characterized by the less oxygen carrying protein, that is the hemoglobin. So the individuals who are affected by thalassemia, they have the less of hemoglobin and fewer red blood cells in the body, right? And it is basically an autosomal recessive disease, right? It is also autosomal recessive disorder, right? So basically it means that both copies of HBB gene in each cell has mutation. So this option is also wrong. Next we have is the hemophilia. So hemophilia is basically a sex-linked, right? It is a sex-linked recessive disorder. So the abnormal gene responsible for the hemophilia is carried on the X chromosome, and males have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. So it's a bleeding disorder wherein the people who are affected by hemophilia, they lack the blood clotting factor, right? They basically lack the blood clotting factor, because of which they basically excessively bleed when there is a cut or something, some injury. So this is also a genetic disorder or the hereditary disorder. So this is also wrong. Lastly, we have is the cretinism. So cretinism is also known as the congenital hypothyroidism, right? It is also known as the congenital hypothyroidism, right? Hypothyroidism, it's a severe deficiency of thyroid hormone in newborns, which causes impaired neurological function, stunted growth, and the physical deformities. So it is not a hereditary disease, hence it is our correct answer here. That's the option 4, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.